दोस्ती तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए.
I think it's the most iconic friendship song, you know, of our generation, and I feel like the chemistry that the three of them had, the song, the energy of it, even Tumi Ho Bandhu, I think what it's trying to say, you were dedicated to, you know, all friends of yours and your gang and your troop, you know, and I think that's the energy that it's always had for me, and I feel when Bandhu 2.0 came, we were like, I love the I love that. You know, it just kind of gets nostalgia back, but it kind of recreates it also in a beautiful way. So yeah.
Thank you, guys. I know what Rashmika has stored Shahid and Kriti's names in her phone as Bandhu and Sakha. Thanks, guys. On that note, can we please clap again with Shahid, Kriti and Rashmika? And can we please get on to the next song, which is absolutely exclusive. आपके कानों ने, आपके नाक ने, आपके ask the three of you to please naak. You were asking him what naak is?
Guys, don't record this song. Now we want people to watch it in the theater. This is only for you guys, exclusively for your eyes, not your
don't
phones.
Record now. What do you think?
Are you? Don't, guys, prove it wrong.
Such a naive person you are, Raja.
वो फोन ऐसे ही नहीं. वाओ यार क्या मस्त है ये. Guys, एक तो सवाल फटाफट से ये पूछना है. जग से लाज is a fabulous song. You guys are looking smashing like every other song, but पसीना कैसे नहीं आता है यार तुम लोगों को? मतलब हम डांस कर ले 4 मिनट, आप तो मतलब बिल्कुल अमेजिंग. मतलब how? Don't answer.
I don't want to answer.
No, like they say, girls never sweat, they only glow.
क्या बात है?
और लड़कों के बाल कभी खराब नहीं होते हैं.
चलो दोनों ने एक दूसरे के बारे में बता दिया. My question, जग से लाज का एक memory. I can only see joy. Also because you guys are great actors, but I see joy. Sensational joy.
हम सच में भी खुश हो सकते हैं.
That's true. That's not the part
सच में
where
खुश थे.
acting,
We
you
were
know.
having a good time.
Shahid, what's your favorite fondest memory of Jug Se Laaj? डाल दिया ना spot पे.
I think there was one long shot where all three of us are involved. That was a fun shot because long shots are just fun to do and they take a lot of time and then you feel very satisfied when you get them. And I think that's the day we thought that it's the last day on the film. So I remember all of us jamming and spending time together, especially on that DJ booth. And then we were all like, okay, everybody's last shot. Kriti, Shahid, Rashmika, last shot. Cake cutting happened on that day.
Oh, nice.
We thought it was the last shot.
We thought.
Like, last day of shoot.
Because you were shooting until last night.
That was a good 6 months back. And then day before was another story.
And sometime before that was another story as well.
What else did we shoot? Oh yeah.
All good things take time. ये समझने के लिए परसों जाना है पिक्चर देखने. परसों.
कृति इतनी बार बोल चुकी है ना परसों कि मुझे एंजाइटी हो रही है यहाँ पे खड़े परसों.
मतलब एक्साइटमेंट के साथ में एंजाइटी भी अच्छी बात है. गुड एंजाइटी इज अ गुड थिंग.
बैंगलोर का जो टाइम डिफरेंस नहीं है कुछ, मतलब परसों ही है.
रियलाइजेशन
तो कल बैंगलोर गए तो कुछ शिफ्ट हो गया था.
हम दुनिया में थे ना.
मैं सिर्फ सटली कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि मुझे कोई नहीं लेके गया था.
It was a girls' day out.
No, I'm not.
But we did miss
when you say
you,
girls'
Shahid.
day out and call me, I'm not going to come.
We did miss you, Shahid.
Thanks.
That's what you want to hear.
Thanks.
No, we missed you.
You know, Shahid, we still have to say we did video call you.
Yes, we did.
Can we
I'm
just
sorry,
get to
what
that
were you
point?
doing?
Sorry,
What were you
ladies.
doing?
You have to take a prior appointment. I was in a massage.
The massage scenes are not there. In Cocktail 2 guys है.
थिएटर में जाओ. वो भी है. I swear. Friday को check करना. वो भी है.
परसों देखिए.
ठीक है. आपसे एक आखिरी सवाल before we really leave it to the audience, but like ask you a few final questions as well. हर friendship में नहीं है. Relax.
क्या कौन नहीं है?
मतलब वहाँ पे कुछ confusion है. कोई बात नहीं. Coming back to you guys. हर फ्रेंडशिप में एक स्पॉन्टेनियस इंसान होता है. कहता है कि आज हमें ये करना है, आज हम गोवा जा रहे हैं, आज तुम बैग पैक करो, आज ये हो गया है. आप तीनों में से वो इंसान कौन है?
वो यहाँ नहीं है जो इंसान रोज आज डिसाइड करते हैं. उनका नाम है डीनो विजन. और यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं वो कह सकते हैं वो हर चीज आज ही डिसाइड करते हैं. वो नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे साथ आज, क्योंकि वो आज भी कुछ कर रहे हैं फिल्म के साथ.
Because good things take
Time.
Yeah. And when is this film releasing? Which is also called Friday. All right, coming back to cocktail, Shahid, my question to you is,
तू क्या कौन सी कॉकटेल पीकर आई है मुझे बता जरा यार. And
It's called-
definitely it was
हमें
2
भी चाहिए.
cocktails. 2.
it's called Jaljeera. Thank you. Okay, my question is, itne sare saal, when you look at yourself on the screen, I see a very amazing boy who I'm extremely proud of, who entertains me to the T. What do you see? Do you see awe, pride, or do you see criticism? What do you see?
Me?
Yeah. ये किससे बात कर रही है? पागल है क्या?
What do
पागल है, troll हो जाएगी.
What do I see when I see myself?
Yes.
I mean, I hope I see the character.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm interested in the character being seen by the audience. I don't care about me.
Yeah.
Shahid doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
I'm bored with Shahid. I love characters. So Kunal for me is the character, and I want to always see Kunal and not Shahid when I'm on screen. I like that.
Nice. We also like you. 19 जून को जैसे ही फिल्म रिलीज हो गई हमारे पास में आ गई. Now it belongs to the world. What's the first thing that Shahid Kapoor is going to do?
I have not seen the film yet. So I'm hopefully maybe on 19th or maybe tomorrow
Yeah.
or maybe tonight.
Yeah.
You know, if her husband calls us in time and says, you know, guys, the sound mix is ready, let's watch it.
Yeah.
So the first thing I want to do is actually see the film.
Yeah.
And
I'd love
hopefully,
to.
and with all 3 of us, like I want all of us with the
Watch it
people that we
together.
love to watch it together because we've had such an amazing time doing it.
Yeah.
Really, this is a very special, memorable journey on a film that's meant to be about friends and love and good memories and happy times. And genuinely, this film was made with that love. And all that credit must go to Homie, who kept that atmosphere on set, and Dinu and Love and the entire team that works so hard to, you know, keep the energy, which is always most important.
This line has been done to death, लेकिन शाहिद एक ही दिल है, कितनी बार जीतेंगे? Moving on. Thanks. Rashmika is the only one. ये जो भी कहेगी मैं थोड़ी तालियां बजा लूंगी, थोड़ा स्माइल कर लूंगी. Thanks यार रश्मिका, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा लगता है छोटी बहन है, आसपास है, खेल खिला रही है, अच्छा काम कर रही है. कृति आपके लिए सवाल है, आपके फैंस, आपकी ऑडियंस, यू आर रेजिंग द बार फॉर अस एंड फॉर योरसेल्फ. मतलब हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं आपको देखने के लिए. आर यू मोर एक्साइटेड देन अस?
As he said, we've not seen the film.
Yeah, so you don't know what
So
to expect.
I'm excited to watch the film. Obviously, not see myself, but I feel like he said, we've had it's such a fun movie, and it's the main crux of this film is chemistry, and all 3 of us have had like incredible energy with each other, and I'm really gonna miss you guys, man. I was just kind of watching this song, and I was remembering how we've really had a blast, and I think a little bit of nostalgia, a little bit of emo was happening. So I'm excited to see the film together. I want to watch it for the first time with the 2 of them, you know, and just really enjoy it. And as far as Ali is concerned, I think the way I'm looking is all Anaita. Why are you saying no? It is you.
We're going to clap for Anaita and put her in a spot as well, guys. Sorry, my
I
eyes are
feel
busy.
like Anaita's really made Ali look very hot, and I think Homie's made her look cool.
Yeah.
You know, and she's that combination. So I feel like the magic that she does.
But तूने अपने आप को hot and cool बोल दिया.
मैंने Ali को बोला है.
वो तू ही है.
Just see मैंने बहुत smartly Ali को बोला है.
वो कृति है.
But that's Ali's personality. Yeah. You can't deny it. Yeah.
It's केवल Ali को ही देखना
Yeah,
चाहती
I'm
हूँ.
only talking about Ali. You thought I'm talking about me? No.
You don't think you're hot and cute at the same time?
I think I can be very jhalla, in fact.
No. What do you guys think? Hot and cute, man. Come on, that's Kriti.
Super hot. No one saying झल्ला कृति. Sorry to say आपके ये झल्ला वाला आंसर आउट हो
Ask
गया.
my mother.
ठीक है. देखिए रश्मिका जी, what is that one thing that the audience should be taking away from Diya, from Cocktail 2? What are you expecting the audience to really feel? I know every question has been answered, but what do you think?
I feel Diya is something, a persona that I've never played on screen before. I'm very excited for you guys to watch it. And also, considering my filmography till date, it's all been extremely intense and extremely intense. Let me just keep it to that. So, Diya for the first time is very different. So, day after tomorrow, 19th of June, you guys watch it and tell me how I've played Diya as a character. But otherwise, what I'd like to say is something to take away from this film is friends friendship and love is for life. Ta-ding!
मैंने कह रही थी ये छोटी बहन है, खिलखिलाती है, रुलाती है सब, और शाहिद और रश्मिका and the entire team of Cocktail too, and Maddock for bringing us all these together, and for Homie to make sure that this film is going to be such an entertainer, because we're really dying for entertainment as well. Can we please clap for this beautiful trio? For Pritam Da to fill like DNA and all like entertainment and all his songs and make sure everything is chart buster. It's a chart buster. मेरी आंखों के सामने चार्ट होती है और चार्ट बस्टर में चार्ट बस्टर उठा रही हूँ आजकल. That's what Cocktail 2 does for me. 19th of June, एडवांस बुकिंग खुली है. गाइस तालियां बजा लीजिए, खाना खा लीजिए, मजे करा लीजिए. Thank you to each and every speck of DNA in this room. You made this happen. One second. We know we want pictures. Hang on. Sit down. Don't move. Stand.